Good day, I am Cindy Hernandez and we are here to present to you our comprehensive comparative financial analysis of Jollibee Foods Corporation and Shakey's Pizza covering the financial years 2022 to 2024. Our goal was to evaluate their performance across profitability, efficiency, and financial health. Our findings show that Shakey's is significantly more profitable and efficient, while Jollibee faces a critical liquidity risk that requires immediate attention. So now, let's start with the financial metrics.
Starting with profitability, Shakey's holds the highest profitability. Their average profit margin is 8.43%, which is more than double Jollibee's margin of just 3.61%. This highlights Shakey's superior cost control. Regarding efficiency, Shakey's also performs marginally better. The return on asset is 5.53 of Shakey's compared to Jollibee's 3.58%, at the return on equity of 13.15% of Shakey's versus Jollibee's 13.6%. This shows that Shakey's is using their resources, shareholders' investment slightly more effectively to generate profit.
The most urgent finding is the liquidity risk for Jollibee, which we assess using the current ratio. Jollibee current ratio in 2024 alarmingly dropped to 0.96. A ratio below 1.0 is a red flag, meaning Jollibee current cash and easily convertible assets are not sufficient to cover its immediate debts. This is a critical vulnerability. While Shakey is in a safer position at 1.39, even this is below the recommended safety benchmark, indicating they also need a larger cash buffer.
Now, for the revenue growth, the trend is positive for the entire industry. While both companies are successfully expanding, Shakey's exhibited faster revenue growth at 19.57% over the period, slightly surpassing Jollibee's 11.83%. The strong growth is a positive sign, but it must be viewed alongside the major financial risks we identified. This strong and steady growth is certainly a positive sign for the future, showing management's capability to capture market share. However, we must view this growth critically. As prepaid, expansion often requires significant capital. This brings us to the major financial risk we identified, which needs to be carefully managed for the growth to be sustainable.
To summarize our findings, we have two key recommendations. For Jollibee, the absolute top priority is to fix the liquidity crisis. We strongly recommend aggressive working capital management and debt restructuring to immediately raise the current ratio above 1.0. For Shakey's, they must maintain their cost control to protect their industry-leading profit margin and work on building a larger financial cushion by increasing their liquidity. In conclusion, this is not just a battle of numbers, it is a battle for financial stability. Shakey's has the smarts and efficiency, but Jollibee's brand presence is unmatched. The company that manages its cash best today will secure its dominant position in the heart of the Filipino consumer tomorrow.